Okay, you may get to this point and then you're like, I've got my ball, here's my stretch, and now I need to do the squash. I don't want to just leave it an oval, okay? So when you get to this point, you need it to look more like this, where it's a pancake looking. Okay, so I'm going to go back over here to my previous one. I'm going to actually control click, and I'm going to duplicate the symbol. Call it squash. Hit OK. And now when I go to ball squash in the library, it's looks like the regular ball. I'm going to go ahead and delete the other one. Drag ball squash. Okay, and now this is where I can go ahead and edit it, because my previous one, if you edit the ball one like this, it's going to change all of them and it doesn't look correct. So on keyframe number 6, I'm going to do a little transforming and kind of shape it close to what I want it to be. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and click off of that, and then I'm going to go ahead and just kind of hover with the selection tool on the edge. Wait for the symbol to change. Come on, symbol. Let's change the edge of it. I'm going to go in there. Now I'm going to go into the symbol itself, and I'm going to hover, and now I have something that's kind of a dome pancake shape. You want it to feel like it has the same amount of weight. Okay, so now when I go back to scene 1, that's what I've got, okay? And then when I go back and forth, you can see it's squashing now. On keyframe 7, I'm going to hit F6 to insert a keyframe. I'm going to delete that. And then clicking on that keyframe, and grab my original one and drag it here. And then I'm going to transform that, stretch it out. I'm going to rotate it and try to match my stretch. It should feel like it still has the same amount of mass, the same weight. Now when I go back and forth, my bouncing ball animation is occurring. Okay? Alright, so that's how you do that.